Today my son telling about Rama names, A to Z Rama names. A for
Ayodhya Rama,
B for
Balgava Rama,
C for
Chinmaya Rama,
D for
Dasarathi Rama,
E for
Ishwara Rama,
F for
Falguna Rama,
G for
Gunatmaka Rama,
H for
Hanumata Rama,
I for
Inaya Rama,
J for
Jagadabhi Rama,
K for
Kausalya Rama,
L for
Lakshmana Rama,
M for
Maryada Rama,
N for
Narahari Rama,
O for
Omkara Rama,
P for
Purushottama Rama,
Q for
Kushalava Rama,
R for
Raghukula Rama,
S for
Sita Rama,
T for
Taraka Rama,
U for
Udakta Rama,
V for
Vasishta Rama,
W for
Vaikunta Rama,
X for
Jitendra Rama,
Y for
Yogita Rama,
Z for
Janahita Rama.
very good.